Hello everyone, my name is Bhawana Yadav, guest lecturer in the Department of Computer Science, Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Open University, Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur. Today I will explain the 5 generations of computers. The classification is based on major technological development. Each generation introduced improvements in speed, size, cost, and reliability. First generation. The first generation used vacuum tubes for processing. These computers were very large, occupying entire rooms. They consumed huge amount of electricity and generated excessive heat. Programming was done in machine language only. They were very expensive and not reliable. Examples are ENIAC, that is electronic numerator, integrator and computer, and UNIVAC 1. In simple words, first generation computers were powerful for their time, but bulky and inefficient. Second generation. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes here. Computers became smaller, faster, and more reliable. They generated less heat. Assembly language and high-level languages like COBOL and Fortran were introduced. Magnetic core memory was used. Examples are IBM 1401. This generation marked a major improvement in performance and efficiency. Third generation. Third generation era was 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuits replaced transistors. Many transistors were placed on a single chip. Computers became even smaller, cheaper, and faster. Operating systems were introduced. Multi-programming became possible. Examples are IBM System 360. This generation made computers more practical for business and scientific use. Next is fourth generation. The invention of the microprocessor was the main development. Entire CPU was placed on a single chip. Personal computers were developed. Graphical user interface was introduced. Networking and internet usage expanded. Examples are Intel 4004 and IBM PC. This generation brought computers into homes, schools, and offices. Next is fifth generation, based on artificial intelligence. This generation is going on present and will be in future. Focus on machine learning, robotics, and natural language processing. Computers can understand speech and learn from data. Used in virtual assistants, robotics, and smart systems. Research in quantum computing is ongoing. Fifth generation computers aim to make machines think and act like humans. Next, here is a summary table. You can see first generation used vacuum tubes. Era was 1942-1956. Key features includes very large and expensive. Next is second generation. Second generation used transistors. Era was 1956 to 1963. Key features include smaller and faster. Third generation used technology integrated circuits. The period of third generation was 1964 to 1971. Key features includes multi-programming capability in computers. Next is fourth generation. Fourth generation used microprocessors from 1971 to present. It is ongoing. Personal computers were the key feature. Personal computers for everyone. Fifth generation used artificial intelligence. Uh, its era was present and future, and key features includes smart self-learning systems. It uses artificial intelligence, quantum computing, IoT, that is Internet of Things, etc. Next is again a summary of all these fifth generations here. First generation used vacuum tubes, second generation used transistors, third generation used integrated circuits, fourth generation used microprocessors, and fifth generation is using artificial intelligence. Each generation improved speed, reduced size, and increased efficiency. The evolution of computers shows how technology has advanced rapidly. From room-sized machines to AI-powered smart systems, computers have transformed our world. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you all.